It's fantastic. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be quite a bit different. So instead of working on the M3, I'm actually going to be going over some additions to the garage that I think have made this space extremely productive, and I wanted to share those with you guys. Now, the first addition has been lighting. Lighting is super important to me. It's crucial when you're creating things like when I did the fender flares for the car. Being able to see the car and being able to see how things look is really important when you're creating new stuff or doing any kind of projects in the garage. Before, the fluorescence just didn't cut it. Having the garage door open, having the outside, the natural light, having the light in here. For filming, it was just a nightmare. So I was able to get some lights that Taylor Ray had made a video about a while ago, picked those up, added them to the garage, and they make a world of difference. As you can see, the lighting in here is great. I mean, there's really hardly any dark spots anymore. So when I do some bigger projects in here, like I've got to do the subframe, and then I'm gonna do some of the gaskets, like the oil pan gasket. Doing all that work in here is gonna be so much easier because I can see. The link for those lights will be in the description box down below, so definitely check those out if you need some lighting for your garage. Now, another massive upgrade to the garage is a twin bush scissor lift. It's actually underneath the car right now. Now, disclaimer, this is my father's scissor lift. It's not mine. It's just I fortunately get to use it for the time being. Now, this is actually the shorter of the two lifts. So over here on the side, you've actually got the control unit. This just takes care of everything. It's got your up-down buttons. You can turn on your power. You've got your safety switch over here. So let me get the car up for you guys. All right, so like I said, this is the shorter of the two lifts, but it works out perfectly. I mean, this is a great height to be able to take wheels and tires off. Once I take the front bumper off and lift the hood and everything, I can do any engine work that I need to. Obviously, I can go lower, so it makes engine work a little bit easier. Over here, being able to do things like the subframe is going to be amazingly easy and convenient. So I'll be able to just unbolt everything. You guys will see that in another video. But yeah, like I said, I'm super fortunate to be able to use this. Again, not mine, but I could not be more thankful to be able to get to use it. So again, this has been another huge addition to the garage. Now, one of the things about me is I am a huge wimp when it comes to hot and humid weather. So naturally, I live where it is hot and humid 90% out of the year. Like for instance, right now, it's I think it's like a 98-degree heat index. Also, it's extremely humid. So I've been in the garage for several minutes filming this video and I'm already sweating like crazy. So this company called NewAir Appliances actually sent me out a portable AC unit to be able to try out here in the garage. I am super excited to see how it works. It's in that box over there, so I'm gonna be unboxing and testing it out and showing you guys exactly how it does. Let's dig into this thing and see how it works. Okay, so this is like my first unboxing video. I'm really excited about this. Here we have it. There's the front of the unit. So I've got to figure this out and see what each bit does. Like a good person, I'm reading the directions before I try to power it up. Alright, so there is my window spacer all set up, ready to go. So now I just have to add this exhaust pipe into here and then into the unit, and then we can start firing this thing up. bad at these unboxing videos. That's plugged in. It's good. One is power. Oh, that's fantastic. It already feels cooler in here. I really don't know how loud this is. It doesn't seem that loud to me, but on video it might be loud. Okay, okay. So you got different modes. This is super nice, man. I'm gonna put these carbon filters in before I die. Okay, so carbon filter comes with a remote too, which I think is pretty fancy. AAAs, I need to get some AAAs. I can do that in a little bit. No, too impatient for that. There we go. Okay. Filter frame, activated carbon filter. There we go. I don't know if you're supposed to have it on like a desk area. It works for me. I really can't get over how cool this area is. All right, so check this out. I don't know how loud this is, but on top here, you've got your power, you've got whether you want it to be automatic and then use the cooling function, the AC function. There's got a fan function. If it's on the AC, like it's already 81, it was 87 when I turned this on. Let's see here. Temperature up and down when it's on cool. Then if you have it on fan, you have fan speed down here. You can put a timer on it. You can put it on sleep mode. That button, I have no idea what it's for. I don't think it does anything on this model, something like that. You can change the fan direction here, which is, golly, that is just feels amazing. I have to say, this unit, like, it's down to 80 degrees in here. If I walk over here, it just automatically feels cooler. So I'm gonna leave it running here a little bit. I'm gonna clean up and then catch back up with you guys in a few minutes and see how the AC unit is doing with the space. All right guys, so after spending some time with the portable AC unit from NewAir, this thing is fantastic. Super cold air. I've been running it here for, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. And it really cools the space. It's keeping it within the 70s, which is amazing. Normally it's like 85, 90 degrees, even higher sometimes, depending on the part of the day. It's a little bit late in the day right now, so that's also contributing to it already being cooler in the garage. So I'm excited to see how this does midday tomorrow. This thing, like I said, is fantastic. Definitely check them out. Obviously this episode is sponsored by NewAir. The link will be in the description box down below, so you guys can see the other units that they have. If you have a smaller space, they have smaller units. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed today's video on the newest additions to the garage. I know it's definitely gonna make creating content for you guys even more enjoyable. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys wanna drop a comment, maybe you guys have a question or you just want to leave your thoughts, I'd love to read those. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram page. That'll be linked in the description box down below as well. Don't forget to check out NewAir and just all the stuff they have. They have much more than just AC units. They have mini fridges, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you guys check them out. Anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Have an awesome day.